SmartOffice Desktop Client is a unified communications tool that allows you to manage your communications using a PC or Mac. Once your account is activated, you will receive a download link and user credentials for the application. Once the client is open, you'll see that the main interface is structured in two main areas, the navigation bar and the content window. On the left is the tab menu, or the left navigation bar. To the right is the content window, which changes based on the tab you select. At the very top left of the navigation bar is an avatar that lets you update your present settings, send feedback or logs, and to log out of the client. Below that, you will find icons representing your favorite, contacts, chat, history, sessions, dialpad, collaboration, which is optional depending on your service, custom tabs, and settings. To update your presence information, click on your own picture or avatar. Your picture is part of your profile. To update your profile and picture, check out our end-user web portal tutorial. To exit the menu, simply click anywhere else in the page. Your Favorites tab provides quick links to services or contacts. To add a service to this menu, go to the Settings icon at the bottom left of the navigation bar and select the Gears tab. Navigate to the Service Settings option and click the box next to the services that you would like to appear in your Favorites tab. To remove a service, simply click the box again and the check will disappear from the menu option. All selected services will appear as a quick link in your Favorites tab. To add a contact to your Favorites tab, select the Contact tab located just below the Favorites tab. Choose whether you want to see the global or your personal address book. Search for a user. Click the contact to open their profile or right-click and select the option Open Profile. To identify a communication option as a favorite, simply right-click on that icon. A star will appear under the icon to indicate the selected communication type that will appear in your Favorites tab. In the Favorites tab, you can either left-click to connect to the user or right-click and choose another connectivity option. The Contacts tab displays a list of contacts organized in the global and your personal address book. In the global address book, you can search for coworkers to connect to or to add to your personal address book. Right-click on the contact and click Add Contact to add the user to the personal address book. Click the Show Availability checkbox to ensure you see their present status. Press Accept to complete the action. In the personal address book, you can either use the scrolling feature or right-click on the user and select the desired communication method. If available, the contact's present status will also be indicated next to the contact's photo or avatar. In addition to options available on your personal presence settings, a red phone icon will display if they are on the phone. To add a contact, click on the plus icon and complete the profile details in the provided form. Once complete, click the Accept button and the contact will appear in your contact window. To edit a contact, select the pencil icon located on the bottom right of the profile page, make the desired updates, and select the Accept button to save. Your Chat tab provides quick access to recent messages. You can search for a specific message by typing into the search box located at the top of the window, or simply scroll through the messages. Once you find the message of interest, click to open the last session and a window will appear where you can continue your conversation. To view a list of your historical contact logs, select the History tab located in the middle of your left navigation bar. Details provided in the History tab include the history item, history type, indicated by the corresponding icon, and the date. From the History tab, you can filter items displayed by entering a search string in the search bar, or filtering your history log by selecting the blue down arrow located to the right of the search bar. Once selected, a variety of other icons will appear. These represent incoming calls, outgoing calls, missed calls, chat messages, or collaboration. Select each icon to include or exclude them from your search criteria. To filter based on date, click and drag the slide bar located just below the Contacts icon filter. Messages will appear in the window below based on your search criteria. Use the scroll bar to the right of the History window to scroll through your message log. To return a call or message, simply select the message of choice, and a messaging window will open. You can select the messaging icon of choice from those provided at the bottom of the messaging window. The Sessions tab allows you to quickly access any active messaging or call sessions in progress. Select a conversation from this menu to continue your conversation or switch to another communication option. The Dial Pad tab allows you to initiate a phone call or video call and check your voicemail. Once you've entered the number, select the handset button or camera icon to initiate the call. A call session window will open, and you'll have a variety of call management options. The keypad icon is provided so that you can enter PIN numbers or navigate through call menus. The camera icon enables you to switch to a video call. The microphone icon allows you to mute and unmute your call. The collaboration icon allows you to send a collaboration link. By selecting the ellipsis icon, a call feature menu appears with options that will allow you to transfer the call or put the call on hold. On the Collaboration tab, you'll find your collaboration URL, dial-in numbers, and access code. To start a collaboration session, click the Start Collaboration tab at the top of the pane. You can also start a collaboration session by selecting the collaboration icon from any active communication window. Once selected, a Smart Office Collaboration browser will open with instructions for accessing your collaboration room. For a detailed overview of this service, please view the Smart Office Collaboration tutorial. By tapping on the envelope icon, you can choose to send an invitation to participants via email. Your collaboration details will be auto-populated in the email, and you will only need to enter the email address for the contact that you want to invite to the collaboration session. Custom tabs are customized by your company and are enabled to provide you with quick links to frequently visited websites and URLs. This keeps all of your important information together in one tool accessible from your desktop. The Settings tab allows users to configure the client experience. Here you will find options to change languages in the application settings, configure headsets, audio and camera devices via the device settings option, add feature shortcuts to your favorite tab, as well as options for managing and adding contacts. Other settings can be configured in the end-user portal or by your administrator. Check out the Smart Office End-User Portal tutorial for more information. Thank you for viewing the Smart Office Client tutorial.